Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the wonderful world of Semogue. Well, Semogue brushes are no stranger to the wet shaving scene. They've been in business since 1955 out of Portugal. These guys have been making high quality shaving brushes for decades. We've been stocking them ourselves for almost a decade. I love Semogue. We sell a lot of them. We carry a lot of them. We are really happy to tell you that they have brushes in all the major material types out there, whether you want boar hair. And boar hair is super great for people who get ingrown hairs more frequently. It's a stiffer kind of shaft on it, and so it's going to be kind of more scrubby feeling. It's definitely the barber's choice is boar hair. And you'll notice that boar hair, they all kind of look the same. Sometimes you'll see boar where they bleach it and they dye it to look like badger, but it's still the same grade. Now the cool thing with boar, one other thing, is that the ends actually have kind of a hook to them, and those, as they get used, will split into two hooks. You actually end up with this really nice big kind of fluffy surface area after some use. They do great for, again, scrubby feeling, more exfoliating, getting out ingrown hairs. So that's a good example of why you want to choose a boar. They also have synthetic. Synthetic are great for people who maybe are vegan or vegetarian. They don't want to use animal hair products. Or people just like a super uber soft brush. I always tell, if you want the softest brush out there, get a synthetic. This is kind of a new offering from Semogue because they've traditionally not had synthetic, but synthetics are making a lot of kind of upheaval in the shaving industry, and they are definitely being more and more popular. So really cool that they're offering synthetics now. And then of course the most traditional, the famous, the classic, the original badger brush. And so they have different grades of badger, but I'm personally a badger guy. I like more of that medium in between, kind of the real soft of the synthetic and the real stiff of the boar. Definitely has some backbone, a little softer than boar is badger. And whichever one you choose, I love their handles. My favorite thing about this company is their handles. They got that old world look, the multifaceted look, the different colors. Beautifully polished, beautifully finished, and for the price, it's really hard to beat Semogue. Again, we've been stocking them for a long time. It's probably one of our top selling brush lines. They are gorgeous, they're beautiful, they're handcrafted, they're not made in China. These guys are made in the old world, basically. So if you haven't already done so, check out Semogue, a wonderful line of brushes for the shaving community. If you've used a Semogue, I want to hear which one you like and what kind of hair, synthetic, badger, or boar. Tell me below in the comments. That's all I got. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.